Make with just 4 ingredients, no molds needed. Melts in your mouth. In a bowl, add a box of heavy cream and a can of condensed milk. Add a packet of juice powder of your choice. I'm using passion fruit. Now mix everything well until it reaches this consistency. Set aside in the fridge. In another bowl, melt 150 g of dark chocolate in the microwave, 30 seconds at a time until smooth. Now we'll need disposable cups. Put some chocolate in each cup, making a layer. Then freeze until it hardens. Once the first layer is hard, add a second layer and return to the freezer. Take both mixtures from the fridge and fill all the cups with the mousse. We'll also need popsicle sticks. Insert them into the 3 cups. Use the remaining chocolate to cover the top of each cup. After this, freeze for at least 5 hours or until firm. Now, just unmold by removing the entire cup. Look how it turns out. Not only beautiful, but super delicious too. I'm sure once you make it, you'll want to make it again and again. And that was another quick recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Big hugs and see you next time.